Okay, I recently had a question about the resistors in the multiplex board that come with the kit. These are the resistors to correct the FM de-emphasis. So I got the board out, make it easy to show. And here is one of them. I forget which channel this is. Tell you the truth, well, it doesn't matter, but this is one channel. And this is the new resistor. This board's been rebuilt. And this is the resistor, and as you can see, there's a terminal here with 4 contact points. It goes to the 2 middle terminals. The original resistor is exactly the same thing. It's folded over like this. So you just bend it over, you snip it off, and solder this one in place. And again, it's the 2 center terminals. The other channel, which I think is the right channel, I can't see where it is, right here. Let me get a pointer. 1 second. Yeah, let me use my alignment tool for a pointer. Where are we? Where are we? Down here. Okay. Here is the resistor. Where are we? Right here. Here's the resistor. And it goes between these 2 terminals. That's the second terminal from the top, the second terminal from the top. And it goes between those 2 terminals, just like this. This is the new resistor. And this is the other channel. The capacitor is way down in there. The easy thing to do is, this is the coil, right? Your 19 kc coil. And sometimes it's easier just to cut it over here and lift it up so you can access that capacitor, but you don't need to do that for the resistor. Okay, and once again, that is the second terminal from the top to the second terminal from the top, and these are the 16K resistors. This one and this one. And again, this one is on the 2 center terminals. Right there, this one and this one. And the other part you're going to change in here is this capacitor and these 2 little guys here. These were originally ceramics. And once I started to find them drifting and going bad, I said, that's it. It's time for them all to go. So that is the same for just about any Fisher multiplex board, with very rare exception. There's one board, I forgot the number, it's a very late board, but it doesn't even count. But you got the WX board for the FM200Bs, the FM1000, and the 500Bs, and the MPX-65 board, which is just about identical, is found in the 500Cs, 800Cs, and 400 receiver. See, so that's the story with those resistors and the other parts in here, and hopefully that clarifies things. And yes, of course, we have this guy over here, the 1 microfarad capacitor, where your positive leg goes right here to the top end where this resistor is hooked up, and the negative end goes back to that terminal. And that is the last terminal on this, the bottom of this strip, the bottom terminal. And it's important to get the polarity correct. If you wire this backwards, you'll be all messed up. You get distorted FM, stereo, and all this other jazz. These are very reliable boards. Very rarely does anything go wrong with them. Of course, one of these can go bad. This is the 38 kc transformer, the 19 kc transformer, but it's not typical. This is the pot for the separation control, which you should clean. And just, what are you going to do? You rotate it till you get the best separation. You could do it by ear. It's really not a big deal. These are a big deal. You don't want to touch these. But this one, you could actually do it by ear till it's the clearest. You're going to have to move it anyway to clean it. And, of course, the tube sockets. And that's that. I hope this helps, and good luck with your Fisher projects.